We are downtown Austin on Lady Bird Lake. I've been tearing it up today, y'all. Up until today, I've been out here probably half a dozen times. Golly, there's one hitting the top right back there. I've been out here half a dozen times and caught even less fish than that until today. I don't know if I'm doing something right, if the weather was good, or if they're just transitioning, but we're gonna go over what I'm using, how I'm fishing, what I'm doing, where I'm fishing, everything. There's gonna be zero secrets because I wanna be able to translate this video to some successful fishing trips for y'all. So stay tuned. Thought I had one. Caught some really quality fish today. Lost some even bigger ones. And I'm not done fishing, so let's catch a giant.
Oh, Hank Williams song. Time marches on. Time marches on. Time marches on.
Look at that, first fish of the day. 10.5-inch worm, the old monster. And you are tangled up in the line, there we go. Maybe a little aggressive with the hook set. I missed a couple on the frog early. Missed a couple on the creature bait. I was not about to let him get away. That's a nice fish, y'all. Maybe 2 pounds. Golly, he's fat. Oh boy, that hook just fell right out. Really nice and healthy. Wow. 2.4. Very nice. Big old bass. Golly, look at that one, y'all. Big old mouth on him. We're gonna go ahead and weigh her. Get her back in the water. 4.6. I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. We're just gonna net them. Golly, same exact spot, y'all. Really nice one there. .64. Another really healthy bass, y'all. Boy, I'm gonna get a release for my Instagram on this one. Golly, y'all, I'm just barely bumping it. Ooh, that's a nice one. No, he's just a fighter. It is a nice fish, though. Wow, good for him. I'm gonna pause my music. Oh, he threw it right there. Dang, guys. I don't know why I didn't just get the net out and net him. It's all right. That was another 4-pounder. Buddy, you're a boat flipper. Golly, I just had one follow me in there. He wasn't very big, but a fish is a fish. I'm sure he saw me because I saw him. Nope. Oh, come here. You just about jumped in the boat, buddy. Ooh, that hook point is right there. Oh, there goes my worm. Another fat one right there. Kind of seems like those little medium ones, which are super fun to catch. I could do that all day long. But it seems like they're up on the grass. I'm not catching any big ones up there. And the big ones that I have hooked up with have all been along or near man-made structure. So we're gonna move to this bridge. It's the Congress Bridge. I can smell the bat guano from here. And we're just gonna keep on throwing the old monster because we've been catching them on it. I don't know, I actually might make a detour to either flip this homeless camp or that down tree, probably the down tree. Golly, you had all that grass, I thought you were bigger than you were. You're a little too big to just flip up here. There we go. You know what? Let's, I've weighed a few of them. Let's weigh this one just to make sure that we do have a 5-fish bag, and we'll see what we can catch in terms of weight. 164. 164. See you, bud. Thanks for playing. And this is my last old monster. Not really. I have like 6 bags of them. I guess that confirms, or maybe not confirms, but at least further supports my theory that little bass are in the grass right now. So let's get out. Let's flip these big old pillars out here and let's catch Big Mama. Holy. That's definitely an improvement over the last one. Look how pretty that fish is, y'all. kind of pale. Before we keep on hitting those pillars, I want to throw this guy up shallow. It's a Sixth Sense panorama or something. I don't know. I just picked them up because they look really cool. First cast. Not impressed with the aerodynamics. Pounded it into the pillar. Dude, it does not cast well. Gotta have some weight, I guess. Oh! I have no idea how that did not hook up. What the heck, man? He had it. Good one, too. 3-pounder. I had that one grab it, and I had a couple followers. We're gonna go ahead and switch back to the worm, and we're gonna leave this pillar alone because there's the guy that just came to start fishing, and I don't want to. I can fish all these other pillars. You can only fish that one. Also, there's a bat right there up on the wall. Here, let's go check him out. I don't want to get too close and disturb him, but that little brown speck there on the wall is a bat. I think we're gonna net that one. Dude, they just don't give up. That is an old, ugly one there. Got the head of a 5-pounder and the body of a 3. 3.7 on the dot. Boy, that fish really hung on. I don't know if y'all saw that. I dropped it down in there and it hit the bottom, and I guess it's only about 2 feet deep here. I was like, golly, I'm stuck on some weeds or something. No, a fish had it. I popped it a couple times before he pulled back. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see the size of that bass? Came out and swooped this thing, dude. How am I not getting hook sets? Well, that's probably why right there. Okay, so I gotta tighten my drag a little bit. Throwing 6-pound test with this. Tighten my drag. Boy, he came out and just demolished it. Golly. That's the first fish I've caught in about, I don't know, an hour. I stopped doing what I was doing, which was throwing that worm, and I started trying different things, and I lost a big one. I think y'all saw that, and I think I lost a couple. 186. I don't know if that replaces one, but there we go. hooked him in the tail. Look at that. The heck? Dude, I don't think I've ever done that before. Sorry, dude. Oh, you are pegged. The only way you get off is if you break the line. Boy, might need a new hook after that one. Golly. 252. Thanks for playing, bud.
Same old end of the work week drink. Bartender knows my name, but I don't mind. She kicks him up. When Dad got home, I told that story just like I'd rehearsed. Then stood there almost on my knees, waited for the worst.
Oh gosh, that's a good one. It's a really good one. I'm gonna get the net ready. Oh, that's the biggest one of the day for sure. Huh? That is a big old fish there, huh? Let's go ahead and get a weight and get her back in the water. That's definitely the biggest one of the day. 5'6". Golly, what a good fish. Beautiful fish, huh? We're gonna go ahead and get her back. I don't know if I've gone over my setup yet, so here it is. This is what I've been catching every single fish on today. I lost a really big one on that shad bait. But this is a 10.5-inch Zoom Old Monster in plum color. This is a 4/0 Gamakatsu EWG hook. Boy, that's a tongue twister. Got a 1/4 ounce bullet weight tungsten pegged to that weight. And this is 10-pound fluorocarbon. I like throwing it on this rod. This is like my do everything rod. It's a 6'6" medium power fast action rod. Look at that, more fishing line hanging. Just looks crappy, man. Then everybody hates us. Oh, dude, a free lure. Along with probably 50 yards of fishing line. Two lures? Oh, dude, another lure. And 2 bullet weights. Probably just got pink eye. Some town lake sludge went in my eye. Look at that weird thing. Cool. How about that? Yeah. Got an audience too.
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a good one. Golly.
What is that?
It's a largemouth bass. It's a pretty good one. He's probably about 3 pounds. Unless I catch something real noteworthy here towards the end on my way back to the boat ramp, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the video there. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. I mean, I definitely did. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what you learned. Let me know if there's something that I can improve on. Maybe y'all see me doing something and you're like, hey man, you can catch a lot more fish if you do this. Please let me know, because I want to catch a lot more fish. I fished from sun up to sundown, had pretty good success. If I didn't answer any of y'all's questions, just ask me below and I will answer. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And guys, as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See you then.